Hey everybody, welcome back to this episode of Behind the Wheel. It's Saturday evening and I'm headed down to Brentwood, California. There's a big cruise down there called Motoring in May. Someone I met on Facebook invited me, so I'm gonna go down there and check it out. Got the car all cleaned up behind me. So I'm gonna jump in the car, head down there and take some pictures and video and share with you all. And if you would guys, I'm doing my best to make good content for you guys. If you would hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, you'll know when new videos come out, and I'll keep doing my thing. So again, thanks for watching, and hope we can find some cool stuff today. This thing is bizarre looking. Here are a few cars I took pictures of when I first got there, and then I've got some good video of the actual cruise itself. Thanks for watching.